अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज के हम वीडियो में देखेंगे डेटा स्ट्रक्चर फॉर क्यूरी प्रोसेसिंग। डेटा स्ट्रक्चर फॉर क्यूरी प्रोसेसिंग। लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक. Query evaluation is performed in several steps, starting with the high-level input query expressed in the declarative language called the SQL. See, for example, the parser scans, parses and the validates the query. The goal is to check whether the query is formulated according to the syntax rules of the language supported in the database management system. The parsers also validates that all attributes and the relation names are part of the database schema that is being queried. The parsers produce a pairs trees which serves as input to the query translation and rewrite module shown underneath the parser. Here the query is translated into the internal representation which is based on the relational algebra notation. Beside its compact form, a major advantage of using the relational algebra is that there exists transformation rewrite rules between equivalent expressions to explore the alternate, more efficient form of the same query. Different algebraic expression for a query is called the logical query plan and they represent as expression tree or operation tree. Using the rewrite rules, the initial logic query plan is transformed into an equivalent plan that is expected to execute faster. Query rewriting is guided by a number of the heuristics which have reduced the amount of the intermediary work that must be performed in order to arrive at the same result. A particularly challenging problem is the selection of the best join ordering of the queries involving the join of the tree or more relation. The reason is that the order is in which the input relation are presented to a join operator or any other binary operation for that matter tend to have an important impact on the cost of the operation. Unfortunately, the number of the candidate plans grows rapidly when the numbers of the input relations grow. The outcome of the query translation and rewrite module is a set of the improved logical query plan representing different execution orders or combination of the operators of the original query. The physical plan generator converts the logical query plans into physical query plans which contain information about the algorithms to be used in computing the relation operation represented in the plan. In addition, physical query plan also contain information about the access method available for the each relation. Access methods are ways of retrieving tuples from a tables and consist of either a file scan example complete retrieval of all the tuples or an index plus a matching selection condition give the many different operation options for the implementing relation operators and for accessing the data. Each logical plan may lead to a large number of the possible physical plans. Among the many possible plans, the physical plan generator evaluates the cost for each and chooses the one with the lowest overall cost. Finally, the best physical plan is submitted to the code generator, which produces the executable code that is either executed directly, interpreted more, or is stored and executed later whenever needed. Query writing and physical plan generator are referred to a query optimization. However, the term is misleading since in most cases the chosen plan represents a reasonably efficient strategy for executing a query. Query evaluation engines are very complex system and a detailed description of the underlying techniques and algorithm exceed the scope of this chapter. More detail on this topic can be found in any of the database textbooks. For an advanced treatment of this subject, the reader is also referred to 87 as well as to some of the excellent surveys that has been published. In the following paragraph, we focus on the several important data structures that are used during query evaluation, some of which have been mentioned above. The parse trees for storing the parsed and validated input query, the expression tree for the representing logical and the physical query plans, and histogram which is used to approximate the distribution of attribute values in input relation. We start with a summary of the well-known index structure and how they are used to speed up the basic database operations in sorting plans. An important role in query processing, we include a separate description of the data structure used to sort large files using external memory. Thank you. Hope you will understand the topic.